students, in today's video, I will be explaining you the solutions to the textbook exercise questions which are stated in Maharashtra State Board textbook. The chapter which I will be teaching today is halogen derivative of alkane and arenes. If you have any difficulty, any doubt in any of the concept, you can please write in the comment box. Plus, you can go through my YouTube channel as well as Instagram page wherein already I have uploaded name reactions and basics of IUPAC. Let's start with the topic. The first question is write IUPAC name of the following compounds. Now, whenever you want to name any compound and give its IUPAC name, the very important thing is you need to follow the rules. The rule says that you have to select the longest chain. Now, when I talk about longest chain, that means you should count the number of carbon atoms. So if I look into the first question, suppose if I'm going straight chain, if I'm taking a straight chain, then total number of carbon atoms present are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Suppose if I go for this chain, so the total number of carbon present in this chain is 5. So I'm going to select the 5 carbon containing chain. The next one is we are going to start with the numbering. Now, numbering for any open chain compound, you are going to either start from left to right or right to left, depending upon the position which the substituents carries. Okay. Now, over here, if I look into left to right hand side, if I go left to right, the numbering will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now over here, I can see there is a presence of a double bond. So if in a compound there is a presence of a double or triple bond, then highest priority should be given to the double bond. Highest priority, I mean to say, you are going to give the lowest numbering to the double bond. तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं देखने जाऊं तो this thing will be what 2 and 3 के बीच में double bond है तो the position will be 2. Same way if I go from right to left, so the position is coming on 3 and 4. Okay, so 3 and 4 में हम लोग select करेंगे the lower, that is 3. So कौन से direction से हम लोगों को numbering करना है? तो definitely it will be from left to right because the lowest numbering is coming from this side. So I will be numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now coming to the next part, तो सबसे पहले आप लिखोगे prefix. ना प्रिफिक्स किसे लिखना है तो जहां पे भी आपको सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है नाउ द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट इज नथिंग बट एनीथिंग अदर देन द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन इज कॉल्ड एज अ सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. So if I look into this particular structure, I can see that ये Br that is bromo group and CH3 that is methyl group both are outside the chain. So these will be named as a prefix. बट यहाँ पे जब भी आपको एक से ज्यादा सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर यू आर गोइंग टू नेम अल्फाबेटिकली. सो ब्रोमो एंड मिथाइल में ब्रोमो का B एंड मिथाइल का M. तो अल्फाबेटिकली ऑर्डर में अगर हम देखने जाए तो ब्रोमो पहले आएगा क्योंकि B पहले आता है M से. तो यहाँ पे पोजीशन ऑफ ब्रोमो ग्रुप इज 4. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इट डाउन एज 4 ब्रोमो. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज methyl. So methyl is present on third position. So we will write it down as 3 methyl. And then lastly, it is a pentane. So it will be pent. And then since it is a double bond carrying between two carbons, second and third, so we will be writing pent 2 and then ene. So this is the name of the first structure. Always remember whenever you're writing the name, between a number and a letter, you are going to put a dash, hyphen. सेम वे जहां पे भी आपको नंबर और लेटर नजर आए आपको हाइफन डालना है. यहाँ पे भी सेम. ओके. एंड देन दिस इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू नेम द कंपाउंड. Quickly, we will proceed towards the next question. But please note that you take out your notebook and write down the questions and start solving along with me. The next one is CH3CH. On the second CH group, I can see there is a presence of chloro group and on the next carbon, there is presence of methyl group. So यहाँ पे भी हमें same process apply करना है. सबसे पहले तो हम लोग करेंगे longest chain को select. So longest chain मतलब आपके longest chain में सिर्फ carbon atoms present होने चाहिए. Okay. Now this is my longest chain. So I am going to start numbering. अभी numbering कहाँ से start करेंगे? Left to right या right to left? सपोज अगर हम लेफ्ट टू राइट जा रहे हैं तो द पोजीशन ऑफ द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट इज सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. ओके. एंड देन राइट टू लेफ्ट जा रहे हैं तो थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. So definitely हम लोगों को जहां से कम आ रहा है position, that side we are going to select. So definitely from left to right we are going to number. This thing will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now coming to the naming part. So naming करते वक्त सबसे पहले substituent लिखना है. तो chloro and methyl में definitely you are going to write down chloro group first. And the position of chloro group is 2 chloro. And then the methyl group is 3 methyl. और लास्ट में आपको पैरेंट लिखना है. पैरेंट इज नथिंग बट जो भी आपने चेन सेलेक्ट किया है या ऐसे जो बॉक्स डाला है, दैट इज योर पैरेंट चेन. So the parent is, since 5 carbon are present, all are single bond, then we will be writing it as a pentane. Okay, so this is the answer for the second question. Coming to the next question, I can see in the third question, there is a presence of cyclic structure. So whenever you have a cyclic structure, the only advantage is you can start numbering from any carbon. Okay, definitely priority भी आपको देखना है, but यहाँ पे कोई hard and fast rule नहीं है कि end to end ही आपको लिखना है. Since it is cyclic, तो आप कहीं से भी numbering start कर सकते हो. Only thing is you can either go clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now, यहाँ पे सबसे पहले तो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है क्लोरो और दूसरा है इथाइल. तो क्लोरो एंड इथाइल में अल्फाबेटिकली क्लोरो आता है पहले, तो हम यहाँ पे पोजीशन डालेंगे 1. दिस थिंग विल बी 2, 3 एंड 4. तो नेमिंग करते वक्त अगेन द सेम थिंग, आई विल बी राइटिंग इट एज 1 क्लोरो देन 4 ethyl. Okay, and then since the parent is a cyclic structure, wherever you have the presence of cyclic structure, you're going to put prefix cyclo. Okay, and then the last one is the number of carbon atom present. Of course, there are total 6 carbon present, so we will be writing it as a hexane. So the complete name of the structure is 1 chloro 4 ethyl cyclohexane. Okay, this is not benzene since there is no such alternate double bond in the ring. So do not get confused. Now coming to the next question. The D question is, again we can see the parent is what? In this case it is a benzene since it is having conjugated ring system. Conjugated का मतलब होता है alternate double bond. Same way I can see there are different substituents present. तो यहाँ पे 3 substituent है. तो हमें करना है क्या है? We are going to give the lowest position to all the substituent. तो सारे possibilities हम लोग लिखेंगे, सारे combinations हम लोग लिखेंगे. तो सबसे पहले अगर हमने यहाँ पे 1 दिया है, this thing will be 2, 3, 4. तो position आया है हमारे यहाँ पे पास 1, 3 and 4. और एक ऑप्शन है, हम लोग इसे 1 दे सकते हैं. This thing will be 2, 3, 4. Remember, you can go clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, so ये position अगर हम लिखते हैं तो this will be 1, 2, 4. Check क्या करना है आपको? Position of the substituent. ये है 1, this is 2, this is 4. Out of these two, definitely the second one is having lowest possible position. Still, if you are confused कि कैसे आपको select करना है, तो आपको simple trick याद रखना है. सारे numbers को add करो, sum निकालो. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Again 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. तो ये दोनों में से कम कौन सा है? 7. So definitely we are going to select this position. Got it? So quickly write down in your notebook the answer. Okay, so just check whether you have written the answer correctly. The answer will be 1, 4, because on first and fourth position there are 2 chloro groups, so I'm going to write down the position of both. So it will be 1, 4, and then this thing will be dichloro because 2 chloro groups are present. So 1, 4 dichloro, then the next one will be 2 methyl, और लास्ट में parent है benzene. Okay, now this is what? Benzene. Clear? So this is how you are going to solve any question asked on IUPSC NEET. So stay tuned to my channel. In the next video, I will be discussing the next set of questions which are asked in your textbook. So thank you, class.